In this video, I'll show you how to easily delete all your Facebook activity history at once. Make sure to watch the entire video to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device, then go to the menu by tapping the three lines icon. Next, tap on the gear icon to hit over to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Activity Log and tap on it. In the activity log, you'll see your activity history. If you want to remove a specific item, you can easily do so by tapping the three dots next to it and selecting Delete, then confirming the deletion. However, if you want to clear all your Facebook activity history, follow these steps. Go back to Settings and Privacy, tap on See More under Account Center. You will be taken to the Meta Account Center. Here tap on your information and permissions. Select your activity on Meta Technologies. In this section, you'll find an option to clear previous activity. Tap on this button and it will clear the activity history for all your accounts linked to Meta Technologies. And that is it. Thanks for watching.